I'm reminding myself don't do the same mistake. I always forgot to turn on this screen sharing. So okay, let's start from again. So okay, hello guys, this is the day 10 of solving DSA question until I get a good job. In today's session, okay, am I on screen? Let me check. Yes, okay. So in today's session, I am going to solve the question length of the last word. Question is pretty simple. What the question want to say with us? See, I have written half of the code. Then I just realized why the orange line is not showing it at the border. So then I understand the screen sharing is off. So okay. So what I'm gonna do now? The question is what question is saying that S is a string. Let's say S is this string, and the output they want from me is to have the length, the length of the last word. Supposing the last word is world, then the length will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will be the length of the world, and the 5 will be the output. So here also you can see in the description section, you see example 1, hello world, the output should be 5, the last word is world with the length 5, right? But the okay, so you can see here also, but the problem is the spaces. The input is, suppose the input has many spaces in the front and in the end. The output it wants the output is 4. Why? Because the last word is moon with the length 4. Yes, the last word is moon. But if you go with the logic of splitting, so if you split this thing, then this will become list, right? And since it doesn't contains any character, then the length will be 0, null, right? So for that, what we can do is, let's just get back. Okay, right. For that, what we can do, we can use the, what we say that function, trim? No, strip function, right? I got the word strip function. It's obviously the same word for the function. So in this strip function, if we use the strip function on the S, then it will give us the string like this, hello world, like this. Again, if we use strip and then split, you know what split means? If I use split on any string, it will just create it in an list with the help of the spaces. If there are one space, then it will create as a one first index. Okay, the suppose this is the string, and if you split it, then this will be the first index and this will be the second index, right? So we will get, if we split it, then we will get he hello comma, okay, wrld what, like this, something like this. Now it's very simple how to find the last word. Supposing this is the zeroth index, this is the word index, but there never can be only two words in a string, so there can be infinite number of words. So for that, what we will be using, we will, okay, we will be starting from the last. As we know, the last number is always minus 1. In the Python, it doesn't start from 0, it starts from minus 1. So we will use that as a return. So for that, our code will be very simple. I tell you, let's say word as a W will be equal to string, then function on string is dot. Then what we are going to do is strip, 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 right? Then again dot. After the strip, what we are gonna do is split, split, it's split, right? So this is, I think, the code. Pretty much this is the code, and just return the length len of the w of -1. Okay, parenthesis is getting wrong, I guess, nowadays. So this is, I think, what I think, pretty much this should be the code. And when I play it, yes, it is accepted. Do you think it's like kind of fake, right? Yes, you are right. Because the half of the video was already created. I already tested only trying the split method, not strip method. Then I realized I should also add the strip method. But until that, I just realized that my screen is not sharing the screen. My video is not sharing the screen. So I again have to start over from the over it, and I know what I have to answer in the video, that why I use strip, why I use split. Now this function is working. This is basically the word, and this is the -1, which is the last word. This word is taking the last word, and len is giving the length of this thing. So then it will be obviously 0, like the length will be as given of the word. Let's play it. I think it's already has been done and submit it. So this is pretty much for today, and I hope everything gone well. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Bugless Biber, and yes, our runtime is 2 ms. Okay, what? How the first? Okay, it's basically same, but it uses it just long. It just make the long code and just make the short. But readability is uh, like it's more readable than my code. It is easy to read. So yes, this is it for today, and hope this video gone well. I have to edit it again and post post this content again. My God, how people are handling this type of hustles, man. Really appreciate them. Okay, thank you for watching the video.